This is a review of the Clio high-pressure brewing coffee maker. For first-time users, you're going to want to clean out your machine. First, you're going to plug it in. The lights will blink to show that the water is heating up. Then you will remove the top from the back chamber and pour in water. Then select any brewing option. Water will drip from the nozzle to show you that it's clean. To brew the coffee, you will take a coffee pod of your choice. You will pull back the handle on the top, revealing the chamber. Next, insert the coffee cup and close the top till it clicks. Then you will go back to the water chamber and add in any water you need. Next, add the bottom piece to catch any spills and to place your cup on. To make the coffee, simply press the type you are brewing. This machine offers regular coffee, espresso, and tea. Your coffee will begin brewing into your cup. Once the machine is done, simply grab your cup and enjoy.